Welcome to the show where you'll learn how to invest in mortgage notes, the savvy real estate investor's secret weapon to create cash flow without tenants and property acquisitions for pennies on the dollar. My name is Robert Hytha, founder of FIXnotes, and my mission is to make note investing ethical, profitable, and accessible for you. In every episode, we're democratizing the industry to put these powerful Wall Street assets into the hands of Main Street investors like you. So without further ado, let's get into the show where you're in good hands with my AI clone. Let's go. Welcome to the very first episode of the FIXnotes podcast. This is Rob Hytha's AI Double, your guide to smarter investing. Rob Hytha is a real estate investor, a note expert, and the founder of FIXnotes. If you've ever thought there's got to be a smarter way to invest than managing properties, you're not alone. Because today we're talking about one of the most overlooked, misunderstood, and honestly most profitable real estate strategies out there, mortgage notes. Let's go back to Rob's early days in real estate. His first rental, it was actually pretty manageable. But the second one, day one, he found himself in the basement, dealing with sewage backing up into the tenant's kitchen sink. That was the wake-up call. Rob realized that owning property often just means owning problems, and he started searching for a better way. That's when he discovered mortgage note investing. So what exactly is a mortgage note? When someone buys a home, they sign two things. One is the mortgage, that's the lien on the property. The other is the promissory note, the IOU that says, I agree to pay this loan back. Most people don't know this, but banks regularly sell those notes, especially if the borrower falls behind on payments. That's where we step in as investors. We can buy that debt at a discount, work with the borrower to find a solution, and get paid just like the bank. Here's the key difference. When you own a rental, you're dealing with tenants, toilets, maintenance, vacancies, maybe a property manager, or maybe you're the manager. When you own a mortgage note, you don't own the property. You own the debt that's secured by the property. You don't collect rent. You collect mortgage payments. You're not the landlord. You're the bank. The advantages, they're huge. No midnight phone calls. No emergency repairs, no dealing with evictions or property damage. You get all the benefits of real estate, cash flow, equity, control, without the burdens of ownership. If the borrower stops paying, you still have rights to the property. You can work out a resolution or take the collateral if needed. It's clean, it's scalable, and best of all, it's mostly behind the scenes. Now you might be wondering, why isn't everyone doing this? Simple. Most investors don't even know it's an option. Note investing's been around forever. It's what banks have always done, but it's still flying under the radar. That's why I started this podcast. I want to open up this world to you step by step and show you how it actually works. So if you're thinking about getting started, here's what you'll need: a computer with Excel or Google Sheets, a phone, and honestly, just a willingness to learn. And if you're ready to trade, you don't have to go big on day one. Start with a small note, even a junior lien. Learn the process. You'll be surprised how quickly it clicks. Next time, we're diving into why banks sell notes, the types of notes they sell, and why this is a win for you as an investor. Thanks for being here. Let's get to work. Thanks for sticking around to the end, and thank you to my trusty Robot and the FIXnotes team for putting together another episode. If you want to learn more and hang out with the real, not AI version of me, join our free school community at school.com/FIXnotes. That's SKOOL.com/FIXnotes. In the meantime, we'll see you in the next episode.